Hello. Welcome to YouCook World channel. Display of the updated iPhone is scheduled only for September, but this does not prevent the emergence of new, more ambitious concepts. Just yesterday, journalists from Phone Arena shared their vision of the iPhone 11. This project deserves attention, because it depicts not just another smartphone concept, but also a possible implementation of the dark mode in iOS 13. The first thing you should pay attention to is the design of the proposed iPhone 11. The authors of the project believe that Apple will not seriously change the appearance of the device, and will limit the introduction of a triple camera. A notch in the screen, which will become smaller in size, and other elements of the body will remain in their former places. This scenario looks quite realistic, given that the company has switched to a 3-year update cycle. As we already know, one of the key innovations of iOS 13 will be a full dark mode. According to the authors of the project, Apple can redraw all application icons, especially for the dark mode. And this concept looks really convincing, and definitely deserves the right to life. Concept designers are confident that Apple in iOS 13 will not use a dark gray background in applications. Instead, the company will use a deep black color, which will allow for greater battery life on all iPhones with OLED matrices. The project is really worthy, although it requires some refinement. It is possible that Apple will borrow an idea with icons. True, in this case, third-party developers may take a long time to introduce additional icons for the dark mode. But when did it stop Apple? Thank you for your attention. Subscribe and like.